Yes, I hope you all will be fine. It is 24th February 2021, and early in the morning, I was required a tool, and you can see here the video scribe tool. And when I download its setup, it was in RAR file. You can see here .rar, but this is not opening in my system because my system is missing RAR lab software to open .rar files. So let's see how we can install the setup to open RAR files. So in this video, we will see that how we can easily download this setup. So just in our browser, we will type www.rar.lab rarlab.com. You can see here at the top, you just require to hit, and we will open and let's see what happens. So here we can see that RAR zip file format. You can try WinRAR before buy. It is trial version available. So we see it because we will use the free version. So let's see what's happened. Under the downloads, we require to click on downloads. And here, according to our system, like if we have the system which is 32-bit, then definitely we will download this. But in my case, I am using 64-bit window, and then I will be required to click on this one. And when I will click, and you can see here it is downloading. And when it's download complete, then definitely we will install it, and our RAR files will be open, and we will see in a little time. So in this video, we see that how we can install the WinRR software to open RAR file extensions, and also subscribe our channel for future update videos. And also you can see here the different playlists in our channel related to the website developments. And when you will see, I hope you will enjoy and you will learn a lot. And let's suppose this setup has downloaded, and we just require to click on show in folder. And here, when I click on show in folder, it will navigate to here. Here just required to right click and run as administrator. And we are going to install it. And yes, then definitely I will install it. In you can change the browser location where you want to install it. And then you can see here, okay. And it's just a few clicks to install it. It's not difficult. And we just require to click on this one like done. And here you can see those files which we recently downloaded and that was not opening. And now you can see those have, and now you can easily, I can extract the files. Here's it is again. When I will right click on, and you can see here, extract file, extract here. So that was the topic. And early in the morning, when I faced the problem, I tried, and then I made this video for the people who will face the same problem in future. So thank you and best regards for you all, and subscribe our channel, and you can see a different playlist in our channel which can help you, and it will be great. And if you have any question, any suggestion, and you can comment below. And thank you and best regards for you all. Thank you.